Hey guys, just running through a quick run through on the ability to manually create a booking via admin dashboard. So the typical use case, obviously, when someone gives you guys a call and wanting to put through a booking through an invoice and pay it via a bank transfer rather than a credit card payment. So to do so, we've changed a couple of things on the dashboard. So first up, you'll notice that we've got an outstanding amount here to give an indication of what hasn't been paid or how much hasn't been paid. And also we've got this new column called status. So we can tell whether a booking has been paid, or is it a free booking, or whether it's just a pending payment. And the way that you add a new booking and request a payment through invoice is easy enough. Hit on the plus button. From here, you want to fill up the detail of the person making the booking or who will be paying the invoice. So they'll go into the billing detail up the top here. At the moment, I'll make just for ease of clarity, we'll say payable. And Wave CRM on you, so we know this is going through someone who will pay the invoice. And just to make sure that you tick the text invoice option here to email them a text invoice. Now with the ticket confirmation, if this is flicked on, we will also send the ticket to the attendee. Now, I don't see that this will happen very often, but if you need to do so, there is an option here. But for most of the time, I imagine you would just keep it off because you don't want to send them a ticket until the text invoice have been fully paid. Otherwise, select your ticket as usual. So I'm going to select a test ticket here, and I'm going to call it a ticket holder. So attendee at wavecrm.com.au. I'll put through a mobile number. And no, and no. So then what happened here, as soon as I press on create booking, it will create the booking and email the invoice to the person. So if I just give this page a refresh, a few things you'll notice. The outstanding amount have now gone up to be 997. That's the price of the ticket that I set. And if you go down to the second booking page, you'll notice that there is a booking that has currently flagged as unpaid. The email itself, so the person, the billing contact, so payable at Wave CRM, will receive an invoice in which they would have a detail about what they've committed themselves into. We've also put in the payment status here and the detail, the bank detail that they can pay this through. Obviously, there's a digital invoice template that they can click and use to pay and print as a PDF as well, if this have to go into an account department. So from here, typically then you would keep an eye on your bank account, wait until the money has been cleared. So once the money have arrived in your account, all you have to do is to then click on the booking itself. And from the booking, you'll notice that we have this new section called payment status. Obviously, at this point in time, you receive the money in your account, so you're ready to mark this booking as being paid. So mark as paid. And from here, you got two more options, whether you want to send a booking confirmation to this person, the guy that does all the payment, as well as whether you want to issue the ticket to the attendee as well. Most of the time, this will be ticked on, but I appreciate that there'll be circumstances where you don't want to send the ticket just yet. So once that's all been good, just click mark as paid. This will then mark the booking as being fully paid. You'll see the green status here. If you go back to the booking list, you will also notice that the outstanding amount has now been dropped down to 0. So that's all been paid for. And the final revenue for the event has gone up as well. But from a customer point of view or member point of view, the person who does the payment, so payable at, will receive a confirmation for the booking and then the text invoice as well. So this is all done and fully paid for. And from an attendee perspective, so notice that the email address is different here. The attendee will then receive the ticket that's been issued because you've marked it as paid. That's it, easy as that. So yeah, that should cover the whole payment modules end to end. give it a go. Let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.